Hello guys, this is Ernest Academy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your dogs token from your Telegram mining bot to your exchange wallet, BYBIT exchange wallet, OKX exchange wallet, or Telegram wallet. Okay, before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Okay, when you launch your dogs mining bot, this dashboard will appear. Please, if you don't see this dashboard, you have to exercise patience. It will come up surely. The system is currently overloaded. So when you see this dashboard, you click on deposit to exchange. Okay, you select if you are depositing to exchange or if you are depositing to Telegram wallet, and this non-custodial wallet will be available on 20th of August. This includes those that don't have exchange wallet or those that don't want to use Telegram wallet. That's those that are using Tonkeeper, my Ton wallet, or all these Web3, all these exchange Web3 wallets. That include the BYBIT Web3, BitGet Web3, and so on. Okay, so we are withdrawing to exchange. I want us to withdraw to BYBIT. Okay, I'll click on exchanges. I will continue. It's currently on exchanges. I will select the exchange I want to withdraw to. You can see OKX, you can see BYBIT. I want to withdraw to BYBIT. After this, I will still show you how to withdraw to OKX. It's almost the same thing, just same thing that you do on BYBIT is the same thing that you're going to do on OKX. Okay, we are withdrawing to BYBIT. I've selected BYBIT. I will click send here. Okay, they ask the question, do you have an BYBIT account? Yes, we do. If you don't have BYBIT account, you go to your Play Store, download BYBIT app, you create an account, or you check the link in the description of this video. You can use it to create your account, do your verification, that's your KYC, before withdrawing. Please, it's important. But if you don't have access, or if this exchange is not working in your region, you can wait till 20th to withdraw to Tonkeeper or my Ton wallet and send to any exchange you want. Okay, so for my own case, I have it. I'll click yes, I have it. Okay, now we are going to go to BYBIT, so we can copy the details. The detail they need, that's BYBIT UID, dogs deposit address, and memo. Okay, so I will type BYBIT. This is my BYBIT. Okay, the first thing I have to do is to copy the UID. I will click on this icon here, this profile symbol at the top left. I'll click on it. I'll copy my UID. Okay, I've copied it. I'll go back to the Telegram bot. I'll click on UID. I'll paste it. I've done that. Then the next thing I will do is to copy dogs address. I'll go to assets. Okay, I'll click on deposit. I'll click on deposit crypto. This is the last option there, deposit with crypto. I'll click on deposit. I'll search for dogs. Please, you have to be very careful here. You are depositing dogs, that's you're using the address of dogs, not Dodge or dog, because some exchange might have similar tokens. So we are depositing dogs. You can see it here. I will select on it. Okay, it's loading. I will select the chain that we are withdrawing to, which is Ton. Okay, I will click OK. This is just a notice. Now this is my address, my wallet address. Please, you don't have to type this in your Telegram bot. You just click on this small icon here at the end of the address to copy it. So I just click on it, it's copied. I'll go back to my Telegram bot. I'll click on docs deposit address. I've pasted it. I'll go back and copy the memo. Please, this memo is important. Without this memo, you are not going to receive your token. So I'll copy it. Some message you might see it as memo, tag, or comment, some notes or remark. All of them are referring to the same thing. So anyone you see there, just know that that's the one you are required. Okay, I've copied it. Now I'm back to my docs mining bot. So I've filled all the information. So what I have to do next is to click send. All the information is accurate. Okay, I didn't retype them, I just copied it the way they appeared. So I'll click on send. Now you have to reconfirm your details: BYBIT UID, depositing address, memo. Okay, see the one in there, you may lose your token if the UID, wallet address, or memo are incorrect or blocked or doesn't exist. Then the next one, KYC passed only. Exchange required to verify your identity before trading. Now what you have to do here is just to confirm, because before you withdraw, you already know that you have to verify your BYBIT account or any exchange you are using. So I will confirm. Okay, you can see I've confirmed. Deposit is in progress. Now I'll be ready for listing on 20th August. I think this all you are required to do at this point. So now on 20th, I don't know, maybe before 20th or on 20th, they will send my token to BYBIT, because I withdraw to BYBIT. Okay, you can see this is the dashboard after you must have withdrawn. You can see 66,000 dogs withdrawing. Okay, now if you are using OKX, if you want to withdraw to OKX, okay, this dashboard will appear. You click on your top left, this is here. You click on your profile and settings. You can see your UID here. You click on copy. It will copy. It has copied now. Okay, then you go to the column meant for UID, you paste it. Then you come to assets, click on assets, you click on deposit, you click on deposit crypto, search for docs. This is for OKX. You search for docs, select docs. Okay, you select the network, docs ton, that's ton is the network. Click OK. Then you copy this address here, you copy it, and you copy the memo, that's the comment. On this platform is comment, but on BYBIT they listed many things: memo, tag, all that. You copy the comment, then you open your docs mining bot and paste the information in the respective columns, in the respective space.